Hindi man nga. I wanna ride.
We're riding. We're going to ride.
This is rock.
This is our first day of immersion, so like it's the coaster we're riding.
There's the
Yes, this is our first day. Ihahatid nila kami sa PTO, which is Provincial Prosecutor's Office sa Rawis. Do you know how gaano kalayo yung Rawis sa bahay ko? It's like 78.5 kilometers away.
estimated.
Like, I've been to her house so like, basically, it's malayo.
I'm going to
so I'm
build
going to have
professional connections with the lawyers there. And we're going to do something.
networking.
Yes.
Yes.
We're going to do something.
Networking is like talking. That's exactly our goal there. Wait, mag-hi ka muna.
So we're on our way to Rawis for our immersion. Ano po? Hi guys! Yung dual pin natin guys. I cannot believe.
Responsible students in the morning. 7 a.m.
We're so strong guys. Hi Nico. Hello! Bye!
On our way to Tagaytay right now for our field trip. Yes. So Long Beach. Oh, we're going straight. I love it. I need to have my baby.
Ito lang mismo sa register.
Good morning po. Hi guys. So, currently naglalakad na kami papunta sa building.
Kapag papunta pa ng girl.
Oh my gosh, maglalakad, malayo pala talaga yung hindi naman malayo. Like parang,
It's malayo. Don't listen to Eunice. It's very malayo.
I feel like it's like BU length.
It's like biglang Jesus sa krus, biglang yung video niya, alam niyo yun? Hindi mo natin.
Ano kung paano niya tatapusin. Kasi hindi naman niya natapos. Sila naman hindi daw talaga niya siya.
Perico Rosales.
I am Perico Rosales.
Instead, the actor Perico Rosales. And like virtual.
Get prosecuted.
Yes, and we're trying to get prosecuted.
Pwede na po kami.
Bakit daw po tomorrow pa kayo master for whole day? candidate, you are really intimidated by those ugly people who chase you. Yeah. Guys. She got the pass. Nakikita niyo sa picture. Paano may mga tao sa paligid gawin niyo
Divide this to 65. 76.
2 pesos. 2, 3,
4.
4, 5,
Oh, 25. 28.
Ano 25? Apat lang.
20.
Oh, 10, 20,
50.
60,
70. Oh, 73. 50, 75, 85, 95, 98. Bukas, ano yan?
Gagaling sa math.
Weekdays.
Give thanks. Ito naman. Gagaling sa math. That's my math scholar.
Save na yan tayo.
90, 93. Hi guys. So, Sunday ngayon. It's currently Sunday. Plano for today was I'm going to help with flower shop ng tita ni Mika. Tapos, tapos, suddenly, wala, papunta na kami pulang beach. Currently, nasa Pulang Beach na kami. Car trunk surprise na kami. I'm so excited kasi like, ano pa yung magiging reaction? Ayun na yung surprise. Thank you so much. May bye dito ngayon. We're done with our part-time job. We received our salary na kaya naman may pang-bilot na si Mika.
죽일 거죠?
아니요. 계획이 바뀌었어요.
Tapos alam niyo na pala,
이탈리아에서
sinusundan
복수할
siya.
때 원칙을 다시 생각해봤어요. 첫 번째,
Zaro Micaela Vertiform, 17, from the lively neighborhood of Bogota! Parang isang ko, gawin ko
Our Miss Banyak first runner-up. Garnering an average score of 91.3%.
Congratulations dahil ikaw ang Miss Baniag first runner-up candidate number...
Congratulations, candidate number 3.
Candidate number 5, ang ating Miss Teen na Our first runner-up is Miss Criselda Rodriguez and our Miss Teen Lakuman 2024 is Miss Zaro Micaela Verticlor. Once again, our Miss Teen Lakuman 2024 is no other than candidate number 5. Zaro Micaela Verticlor.
Kung masyadong sensible, bali mo naman. Smile. Okay, one more. Ito po, still body ma'am, check out. Ano yung body naman? Smile. Okay, one more. That's it. Tilt na po ang head dito sa right. Not too much. Sobra. Yan, okay. Chin down just a bit. Smile. Yes. Check mo ko ng photo.
Hi guys! So, photo shoot pictorial namin today and last day na rin namin. Last beses ka na picture mo. Last day na namin mag-uniform. Sino ang best in uniform sa atin? Wala kang mga ID. Ako meron. Meron ako tumayo. Wow! Tell me why ain't nothing more. Tell me what I never want to be. Pufferfish! There's a pufferfish! You told me I said that. Let me see the pufferfish. Let me see the pufferfish. Pufferfish! Vicky, picturean mo nga ako. Pufferfish na ano? Ay guys, pufferfish! Mika! Mika! Mika, pufferfish! Listen. Mag-smile na kayo, Siyempre, ako na yun eh. Hi everyone! So, I think this will be the last time that we'll be walking here in this exact place na nakapang senior high school uniform. So, I guess, farewell. Ito na yung last, diba? Nakapang senior high school uniform. Ganyan. Thank you, Basales. Thank you for